Hello, my friends. Mila Marie, your tech princess here. So I am back at you with a few more fixes for our L99. One thing I've noticed is people in the community just love this board. Yes, it's been a bit of a challenge to get her to work, but we all just love her so much. So we're going to keep going. So as you can see, my animation and my screen is perfectly intact. So here are some new resets that I have come across. One came from AULA, one came from my other community, and two more that I've tried on my AJAZ keyboards that have worked. So the first one is function X, 0, and 6. So you hold down function, you push X, then you push 0, then you push 6. That one came from a community friend who said that worked for her screen. Function Backspace is working for a lot of people. It's just like a general board reset. Function and Escape. When you guys are using Function and Escape, make sure that you wait for the keyboard lights to flash 3 times. That is how you know that it has worked, so don't rush it. Okay, then there is deep reset number 1, which is hold function and escape together, press F1, F3, and F5. Okay, that's a deep reset. Then there's another deep reset that you can do that is function and backspace, hold them down and push F1, F3, and F5. Okay, and then I have one more thing that I learned. Now, if you want to do firmware recovery, here is that process that has worked for us in the community. Enter recovery mode by holding function and space. Then you need to wait 5 seconds. If you can't get into the recovery mode with that, try Alt and space. Again, hold for 5 seconds. Before updating, make sure that your keyboard is in wired mode, and there is a shortcut for that, which is function and the number 4. Wait 5 to 10 seconds before entering recovery mode so that Windows can detect your keyboard. And that should get you into the firmware update. So here are those steps. Run the LCD firmware update, press function backspace, unplug the keyboard, turn the power switch off, and then turn the power switch on. Common causes of the black screen, once again, are large or complex GIF uploads, interrupted firmware updates, and firmware mismatches after the software updates. So if none of those work, you could be dealing with a deeper firmware or hardware issue rather than a shortcut or reset problem. As we have said, the disclaimer, we are not experts, we are just a community giving you everything we've got to try to get your amazing L99 to work. I have not had any problems since I did my last fix. Anyway, let me know if these work for you and if you have any other fixes that you'd like to share with the community, and let's keep helping each other out. I'll see you in the next one.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more keyboard finds.